Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by locating the thermostat or remote control for your air conditioner. Check the make and model so you know menu layouts and button labels. Confirm the unit is powered and stable before changing settings. Wait 1 to 2 minutes after switching modes to avoid errors. Remember that 32 degrees F equals 0 degrees C when you verify readings. Keep a small flashlight handy for hidden labels or battery compartments. Have the user manual or online model number ready before you begin the change. Open the thermostat menu and locate temperature units, display, or settings. Use the arrow keys or touchscreen to navigate to the correct option. If labeled, press and hold the units or set button for 3 to 5 seconds. Some remotes use a mode plus-up button combination to toggle units. Confirm the change by watching the display update to Celsius with the degrees symbol. If the display does not change, power cycle the unit and repeat the procedure. Record your steps for future reference on this model. Verify the system reads expected Celsius temperatures, for example 24 degrees C for typical room comfort. Run the AC for 5 to 10 minutes and observe whether temperature changes match the display. If the unit fails to change units, replace batteries, or perform a soft reset. Check for hidden menu codes in the manual for advanced models before attempting factory resets. Contact the manufacturer when the display is unresponsive or the model uses service-only toggles.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.